I mean, possible is anything. I would be naive if I tell it differently. However, I think the step how they will kind of be in our life depends all of also us, how much we want them and allow them to be part of it. In some areas, we certainly need them because we don't have the resources, the manpower, the human resources to do things. In other areas, we also don't want to do things anymore, starting with examples of cleaning robots. I mean, if you ask me, cleaning dishes, it's not the nicest. Maybe in the future a robot could do this. But it all boils down to us to decide how much we want to allow robots in our society and basically being part of our life. That's a good question, and a question we from Infineon are happy to answer and take on. So how we contribute is not just with our latest and greatest technology from a semiconductor perspective. In the end, robots are nothing else as tools, automated tools, basically electrified. In the future, even humanoid robots. But these humanoid robots need to be powered, they need to be moved, they need to sense. So this is one area. And another area how we are participating is we don't just throw products on the market, but as you can see here, with our latest robotic development platform, we enable designers out there to develop robots which are reliable, safe, and easy to design. That's a fair question and a good question. And we at Infineon, we're also preparing for GaN, Gallium Nitride, to be part of solutions in a robot. We're going to see it in motor control, for example, for humanoids, for example, for drones, for example, for mobile robots. And the big question is, what are the benefits? And the benefits is we want to make the losses, the efficiency higher, losses lower, efficiency higher, and make the solutions more compact. In the end, saving resources, again, driving this main topic of decarbonization.